Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be a quiz on some of the math topics I've been giving recently. And those topics will include number and place value, compare and order numbers, negative numbers, and rounding numbers. Now, like I just said, I've done videos on these previously, so I thought I would just make like a cumulative review of everything I've talked about. So let's not waste any more time and take a look at what I have now. So I'm just going to read the questions to each of these problems, and then I'll leave it for you to solve. So question number 1 says, what is the letter of each number? So as you can see, I've got this number line here with letters, and I just want you to tell me what is the letter of each number. For number 2, the question says, count on in thousands from 1,228. Write the first 3 numbers below. So again, using the lines shown here, just answer the question as it states. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next problems now. For number 3, they want you to count back in thousands from 2,676. Write the first 3 numbers below. Again, if you have any questions on this, I suggest you look at my video because it explains this, my previous videos. I will leave links in the description down below. For number 4, the question says, what is the value of the digits 3 in each number? So as you can see, I've got letters A, B, C, and D here, and I want you to tell me what the value of the digits 3 are for each. And then you can write it on the space given below here. For number 5, it says, write true or false. Correct any that are false. So I've got problems A, B, and C here with a line for each answer, and just tell me whether the statement here is true or false. If it's false, write the correct answer on the line provided. For number 6, the question says, write equals, less than, or greater than to make each sentence true. So again, I've got answers A and B here, and just fill in the appropriate answer as indicated. Number 7 says, circle the colder temperature each time. So you can see I've got letters A and B here, and I want you to just circle which one is colder. For number 8, they want you to round the number 27,629 as follows. So I'll read these two to you here since it's got a little bit of reading. For letter A, they want you to round to the nearest 10,000. For letter B, they want you to round to the nearest 100. So again, using the lines and the space given here, just follow the directions. And for this, I will have a soft copy of this quiz, like I said, and an answer key in the description down below. So if you would like to try and print it and do it yourself, you can, and you can check the answers yourself. So that'll do it for this video. And since I've been making some math videos lately, I thought I'd just do a little assessment where you kind of see how you're doing if you've been following my videos. And if you haven't and you're new to this, you can just try it out. And if there's anything that seems a bit weird or vague, like I said, I'll leave links in the description down below, and you can go down and watch any of the videos on these topics I just given today. So that'll do it for today's video. And as always, I appreciate you spending part of your day with me, and I look forward to seeing you for the next video.